Hello Miss, hello my friend, my name is Benedictus Luis Vigo. Today I'm going to talk to you about the purpose of creating facility for disability. Creating facility for people with disabilities serves several important purposes. Accessibility. These facilities ensure that individuals with disabilities can access and navigate various space, service, and amenities without barrier. Inclusivity. By providing facilities that accommodate people with disabilities, society fosters an inclusive environment where everyone can participate fully in social, educational, recreational, and employment activities. Creating facilities for people with disabilities serve several important purposes. Independence, accessible facilities empower people with disabilities to live independently and engage in daily activities without relying excessively on assistance from others. Safety, creating facility with disability-friendly design consideration enhance safety for individuals with disability.